Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Imagine walking into your bathroom and the lid opens automatically. Soft ambient lighting turns on. The seat is already warm. Everything feels clean, modern, and effortless. That's the experience you get with the Bazyths ZY760A Luxury Smart Toilet. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through why this could be one of the most impressive bathroom upgrades you can make. This isn't just a regular toilet with a bidet attached. It's a fully automatic, high-end system designed to make your daily routine easier, cleaner, and a lot more comfortable. Let's start with one of the standout features, the 4-second quiet flush. Most smart toilets on the market can take up to 15 seconds to complete a flush, and they're not always quiet. The ZY760A finishes a full flush in just 4 seconds. It's fast, powerful, and surprisingly quiet. If you've ever worried about waking someone up during a late-night bathroom trip, this feature alone makes a big difference. It handles the job quickly without disturbing anyone. Now here's something you don't usually see, the high-density foam shield. Before each use, the toilet creates a dense foam barrier inside the bowl. This foam helps control splashes, block odors, and prevent waste from sticking to the surface. That means less scrubbing, fewer stains, and a bathroom that feels fresher every day. Over time, this can significantly reduce how often you need to deep clean the bowl. Design-wise, this model really stands out. It features multicolor ambient lighting with 64 adjustable levels. Inspired by high-end sports cars, the lighting adds a modern, premium feel to your bathroom. You can adjust the color based on your mood or simply use it as a soft night light. Instead of turning on harsh overhead lights in the middle of the night, you get a subtle glow that's easy on the eyes. Where this toilet really feels futuristic is in the hands-free operation. The lid opens and closes automatically. There's a foot sensor that allows you to open the seat or flush without touching anything. It also includes off-seat auto flush, so once you step away, it takes care of the rest. The entire experience feels seamless from start to finish. If hygiene is important to you, having a touchless system like this adds peace of mind. Comfort is another major highlight. The ZY760A includes a heated seat, instant warm water, and a built-in air dryer. The bidet system offers multiple cleaning modes, including rear wash, feminine wash, oscillating wash, and adjustable warm or cool wash. You can customize the spray position, water temperature, and pressure to match your preference. Instead of a basic rinse, you're getting a fully adjustable cleaning experience that feels personalized. Speaking of personalization, this model supports dual user memory. 2 people can save their preferred settings, including seat temperature, water temperature, drying temperature, and cleaning mode. Once saved, you simply press the user button on the remote, and everything returns to your exact setup. If you share a bathroom, this feature makes daily use much more convenient. Hygiene is clearly a priority in the design. The nozzle automatically self-cleans before and after each use. It's also detachable, so you can remove it easily for deeper cleaning when needed. This keeps everything sanitary and reduces maintenance effort over time. The bowl itself features a rimless ceramic design. Traditional toilets often have hidden edges where dirt and residue collect, making cleaning more difficult. With the rimless design, there are no hard-to-reach areas, so wiping it down is quicker and more effective. You use fewer cleaning products and spend less time maintaining it. The comfort height design also makes a noticeable difference. The bowl stands 16.7 inches from floor to seat, which makes sitting down and standing up easier, especially for taller individuals or anyone with knee discomfort. The elongated seat shape adds extra comfort, making the entire experience feel more natural and supportive. Overall, the Bazyths ZY760A Luxury Smart Toilet combines speed, hygiene, comfort, and style in a way that genuinely upgrades your bathroom routine. The ultra-fast quiet flush is impressive. The foam shield reduces cleaning effort. The automatic lid and foot sensor create a hands-free experience. The bidet features bring customizable comfort. And the modern lighting adds a premium touch you don't usually see in standard toilets. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom with something that feels modern and practical at the same time, this model is definitely worth considering. It's not just about luxury. It's about convenience, cleanliness, and making everyday routines smoother. If you found this review helpful, make sure to check the product link in the description for more details. And if you enjoy honest, straightforward product reviews, don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.